What is a tiger?
A tiger is the largest member of the big cat family. Other members of the large cat family include lions, leopards, and jaguars. They are the only member of the big cat family with a striped coat. Tigers need three things to survive: water, dense vegetation, and a healthy supply of food. A tiger's scientific name is Panthera tigris.
Is tiger a mammal?
Yes, tigers are mammals. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they prefer to live alone. The only time a male and the female tiger will get together is to mate. A male tiger is called a tiger. A female tiger is called a tigress, and a baby tiger is called a cub.
What do tigers look like?
Tigers are one of the most recognizable animals in the entire world. Almost all tigers have a red-orange coat with black stripes. White tigers are very rare. White tigers are born with a gene that causes them to be white. Only 1 out of 10,000 tigers are born white tigers. Not only does the tiger's coat have stripes, but its skin is also stripped. Like our fingerprints, no two tigers have the same stripe pattern.
Tigers have very 30 large sharp teeth, including 4 long canine teeth that they use for hunting.
Tigers have long, thick tongues. Their tongue is not soft, it is coated with tiny, sharp bumps. Tigers use their tongues to lick hair and skin off their prey before they eat. Tigers also use their tongues to lick and clean themselves, and mothers also use their tongues to clean their cubs.
They have powerful jaws and a very muscular body. Tigers have big shoulders that they use for picking up and dragging their prey.
Tigers have long, thick, sensitive hairs called whiskers that grow on the sides of their upper lip and above their eyes. Whiskers help the tiger feel for objects at night. They also help the tiger feel for how big spaces are that they need to walk through.
Like all large cats, tigers walk on their toes. They retract their claws when walking. They do not leave claw prints in their footprints. A tiger's back legs are longer than its front legs. This helps the tiger jump far distances. A tiger can jump up to 23 feet.
What about tiger's senses?
Tigers have an excellent sense of sight. They usually hunt at night when their vision is about 6 times better than a human. Tigers' eyes have been called the brightest of any animals. This is because they have a reflective coating inside their eyes that reflects small amounts of light. Even though tigers have excellent eyesight, it is hard for them to see animals or objects that are still and not moving. A tiger's hearing is their best sense. They can hear the slightest sound.
What is the habitat of tiger?
A habitat is an animal's natural home or environment. Tigers live on the continent of Asia. Hundreds of years ago, they were found all across the big continent. Today, there are fewer tigers that live in Africa. Tigers live in different habitats depending on subspecies. Their habitats include grasslands, forests, jungles, swamps, and mountainous areas. Siberian tigers live in cold climates in the mountainous areas of both China and Russia. Siberian tigers do not like grasslands. Bengal tigers live in humid, tropical forests or sometimes called jungles with thick plants and tree growth.
What is the facts on tiger hunting?
Both the male and female tigers hunt. Tigers like to hunt alone at night. They have excellent eyesight for catching prey. Tigers hunt different types of deer, buffalo, antelopes, wild boars, baby elephants, and rhinos, and most other animals they can catch. Tigers like to sneak up on their prey. They watch it then sprint to catch it. They bite their prey's throat or back of the neck to kill it. A tiger can eat up to 60 pounds of meat at one time, but usually, they eat around 11 pounds per feeding. It can take a couple of days for the tiger to eat its entire prey.
Can we move to some fun tiger facts?
Unlike other cats, tigers like the water. They like to live by the water. Tigers can swim up to 4 miles at one time. A tiger's roar can be heard over 2 miles away. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live alone. Other than mothers taking care of cubs, you rarely see them in a group. On rare occasions you see a group together. A group of tigers is called an ambush or streak. Tigers can live up to 26 years in captivity and 10 to 15 years in the wild. Now let's move to endangered species.
Tigers are an endangered species. Hundreds of years ago, thousands of tigers roamed the continent of Asia. Today, there are more tigers living in captivity than in the wild. Many efforts are being made to help this endangered animal. The number of tigers living in their natural habitat is on the rise, however. Today, there are less than 4,000 tigers living in the wild. The only predator to a tiger is a human. Tigers are often killed for their fur and bones. Tigers are also dying due to the loss of habitat. More and more trees are being cut down, leaving fewer areas for tigers to live and less for tigers to hunt.